Hi everyone. So I'm packing because I'm going to film with Cutco. And I'm so excited because they told me that I have to wear a closed shoe. I wear open shoes till I can't anymore. But now it's getting full time. So look, I have these, and I didn't think the sneakers were gonna look good with certain things, but they do. Cause these are my Easy Spirit. They're so comfortable. And look at these. They even look good with these. And you know, my discount is still available on Easy Spirit till the end of the month. You got to type in Madalena 25 and you get 25% off. Like, look at these. They're cute, right? Look at them. Aren't they cute? And look at these jeggings, okay? My friends at Andrew Marks. Who says they don't make cute pants for chubby girls? Look at my jeggings. Andrew Marks. Because you know what? I just can't throw on a pair of jeans. And these work. They're like leggings, but they're jeans. So they call them jeggings. Now I'm going to try on my other top. I'll be right back. And I think I'm wearing this for Cutco because it's comfortable. It's airy. I don't want to sweat. I don't want long sleeves. And it looks cute with sneakers. I didn't think it did. But look at how cute my Easy Spirits look with this. With my jeggings. From my friends at Andrew Marks. They sent me jeggings, leggings. I'm going to try on a couple of styles for you in plus size. They carry plus sizes and they're so stylish. I was afraid to put this on, but it looks adorable, right? My husband's still working, so he can't see me. But look, these are Easy Spirit too. How cute are these with that? Listen, summer's over, but if I go on vacation, I mean, this is adorable, right?
It looks good.
Is this cute? I was afraid to try it on. I got another dress. And look at this Sporty Spice dress from my friends at Andrew Marks. Who would have thought? I would never have picked this out for myself, but it's adorable. Look at it. It's got pockets. Isn't it cute?
You're always looking for new brands and new stores, so.
Andrew Marks carries plus sizes. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look at these leggings. These are from my friends at Andrew Marks. Look, I'm not advertising for them. I'm sharing the love. They sent me these. Who would have known? Look at how cute these are. They sure shape my legs. I love them. They actually make my legs, I can't say look thin, but slimmer.
Oh,
slimmer. Let me tell you something. Look at the sneakers. Listen, even Easy Spirit, I'm sharing the love of comfort. I'm not making money, but they are giving a discount. They've never done this before. 25% off. Type in Madalena 25. And you will get 25% off of Easy Spirit. Look at them. Not only are they comfortable, but they're adorable. Look at my Shore House closet. Okay, I got Mauro stuff in here, my stuff. I got stuff in bags in another closet. I can't wait till my house is done.